The Platinum Card's lounge access is legendary. But with so many networks, it can be confusing. Let's walk through how to actually get in. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. You have access to 3 main networks: Centurion Lounges, Delta Sky Clubs, when flying Delta, and Priority Pass Lounges. Always carry your Platinum Card and a same-day boarding pass. For Centurion Lounges, just show your card and boarding pass. For Delta Sky Clubs, you must be flying Delta and show your card, boarding pass, and a government ID. For Priority Pass, you need to enroll in the free membership first through your Amex account, then use the Priority Pass app or card. My crucial pro tip: download all the apps. Have the Amex app for your card, the Priority Pass app for lounge locations and QR codes, and your airlines app for your boarding pass ready on your phone. This digital trifecta is the smoothest way to breeze through the entrance. Transform chaotic airports into peaceful, productive spaces. Which Amex accessible lounge is your favorite? Share your top pick. For more guides on luxury travel perks, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.